You can add or remove a renter mid-lease without rewriting your entire contract to do it. The most effective route is using a lease amendment, which allows you to update who is living in the property while keeping the rest of your original agreement in place. Hi everyone, I'm Alondra, the Senior Content Marketing Manager at Avail. Whether a roommate is moving out, a new person is moving in, or a renter needs to break a lease early, mid-lease changes are a common part of managing rentals. In this video, we're going to cover the legal tools you need to handle these transitions smoothly. We'll break down the difference between addendums and amendments and walk through the step-by-step process of updating your lease. But first, let's clear up a common point of confusion, which is whether you need an addendum or an amendment to do this. Think of an amendment as a direct edit to your current lease agreement. These documents are used to modify specific terms that are already there, like swapping out the names in the renters section. An addendum, on the other hand, is like adding a new chapter. This document introduces a topic that wasn't in the original lease at all, like a new pet policy or smoking rules. When you're changing the roster of who is responsible for the property, an amendment is usually the most precise tool for the job. Now that we've covered that, here's a step-by-step on how to add or remove a renter mid-lease. Step 1. Screen any new occupants. If you are adding a renter, never skip the screening process just because it's midterm. Every person living in the property should pass your standard tenant screening process to ensure they meet your original criteria. Step 2. Obtain consent from all parties. For a change to be legally valid, all parties must agree to it. A lease is a mutual contract, which means you cannot unilaterally add or remove someone. All original renters and the landlord must agree to the change in writing. Step 3. Formalize with the key components. Once everyone agrees, your amendment must be in writing and clearly identify what is changing. To ensure it's legally valid, your document should include a clear title and a reference to the original lease, the effective date of the change, the specific new terms and a reminder that all other terms remain unchanged, signatures from all parties and a witness or notarization if your state requires it. Step 4. Address the security deposit. Don't forget the deposit. Landlords typically hold the full deposit until the unit is completely vacant. It's often best to have the incoming renter pay the departing renter their share directly, but make sure this is documented. So yes, you can add or remove renters mid-lease so long as you use the right document, which in this case would be a lease amendment. And whatever you do, don't skip out on this step. Keeping your paperwork current is the only way to ensure that the people living in your rental are legally responsible for the rent and the rules. If you just take someone's word for it, you can end up with an unauthorized occupant and no way to hold them accountable. By using clear amendments and thorough screening, you protect your property and keep your business organized. For more information on lease modifications and managing your renters, click the link in our description. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos to help you landlord with confidence. Thank you for watching.